Good afternoon, everyone. Today we cover about the BML subject, the adaptive dynamic programming. The adaptive dynamic programming using for the hard skills or soft skills. The hard skill is using for the querying data with SQL, data storytelling and reporting for the dynamic programming. The course of the dismal state diamond state space explores. The machine learning using for the space explores the part of dynamic programming. The dynamic programming using for the data exploration and analytics. The using function approximation analysis. Equalness networks. The network using for machine learning using the component data in Tableau concept of problem solving concept is a networking. The learning from expensive or simulation. The learning for exploration and simulation using for the one concept using data analytics and basis of machine learning using a high prompt and high level prompt and high level imagination of critical thinking using for the simulation are expensive. Then description of the system at the given the time. The description of the system. Okay, we have one picture to make a word format for the ChatGPT. It's one of making a word document of the image. I need a we have an explanation of the communication to the machine learning to business acumen. Description of the system at the given time. It's a meaning of I have a give one photo to create a image or create a 3D image of this my image. I will give. Then we have it's a make a new version of my image to face the test cases. It's a description of the system at given time. Temporal, the description of event that were not static but involved. The involved means we have collected more data and we have searching for more data for the all the all the problem solving skills and data exploration analysis for the this is evaluation and event static, and then temporal system to the time dependent data or decision making. The decision making using for the problem solving. After the problem solving, we have one decision making for that all the queries in the machine learning tools. Then temporal model that control past of future. The future of the machine learning is one of the temporal, not the temporal. It's a make of one of content in the many of subject of many of critical thinking to give a suggestion for the business achievement. Then difference in the learning. The learning is a different type of learnings. The basis of machine learning using for the concept learning, supervised learning, and supervised learning. The supervised learning and supervised learning is one of the technical training for the all the different learning. More or less various called temporal difference learning. Then second point is programming and the reinforcement learning, where the system over time. The reinforcement programming using for the system of over time using for one data to conduct the any one model of the data at Tableau or the soft skills of communication, business acumen or critical thinking using the system over time. Then integrated of waiting for final result data model learning. The final data result model is means one of the we have waiting for the final result of all the data to compute of Tamil Nadu control exam control section using for the data of the machine learning tools. We have many of tools in the our government side. Okay. Thank you, students. If any queries, you will ask me. I will clarify. Okay. Thank you, students. We are discussing next class. Thank you. Okay.